HACARUS is the leading provider of explainable and lightweight AI solutions. We enable humans to make better, faster, and more reliable decisions based on AI-driven insights. As a specialist in time series and image data, our proprietary Sparse Modeling technology is resource efficient, compatible with small datasets, and provides explainability, putting the human user in focus. Today we offer a portfolio of products and services, including our data science consulting and training services, and dedicated solution platforms for computer vision, medical and life science, as well as edge AI applications. While originally from Japan, our global team is now supporting clients and partners across the world. We help our customers with things such as diagnostic support in the medical field and factory automation in the industrial space. To learn more about how HACARUS can help you achieve your AI goals, visit our homepage, hacarus.com.